Hi guys, thank you for tuning in. So today we're gonna be working on the Camry. This will be part 2. We're gonna be installing all the hard plastic and carbon fiber, and then also the background will be some SKULLS in the back. I'll show you guys. Let's go ahead and check them out. You can see the SKULLS in the background. These are the fuse boxes right here, and that's the radiator cover. Looks super nice. If you can see the SKULLS on the back. Something different. I just wanted to have something different from everybody else. It looks super badass. Alright guys, let's go ahead and start the installation and get this out of the way. Alright guys, so we're gonna be installing the radiator cover first. So this one goes right in here. Make sure it sits properly. This one goes right over here. And then these are the push buttons that we took off from the previous. So these gotta go right in the middle. So let's put this one on first. This one came out. Alright. This one right over here. There we go. The other one is gonna go right in here. There we go. We got one more left, one in the corner, right there. Alright, so that one's pretty much installed, as you guys can see. Let's go ahead and do the engine cover next. Alright, so here's the engine cover. So what you guys gonna have to do is take off this part, these two screws, bring this one out completely. You're gonna be using a 15 socket to take those off to be able to install the carbon fiber engine cover. Let me go ahead and take that off really quick. So once you take those screws off, like I said, you're gonna be installing it. So the engine cover is gonna be sitting on these three from the back. Let's go ahead and do it. Alright guys, so the engine cover is installed completely. That's the way it sits. Now we're gonna be doing the fuse boxes, which is that one and the one on the right, on the driver's side. So we're doing the passenger and the driver's side next. This will be the driver's side. It has 2 clips on each side. Really simple to install. So what you do is center it, press it down. You hear 2 clips, and it's there. Beautiful. All right, let's do the other side. This is the little one, passenger side. Same thing. We center it, press it down. You're gonna hear 2 clips, and that's pretty much the way it looks. We're gonna be doing the sides now. Let me go ahead and get them. So these are the plastic covers that go on each side, the driver's side and the passenger side. So all you gotta do is set it up. You can see the little clips right here all the way down, and this is the rubber that we got installed. So let's go ahead and do that. You start from the first one here, put it in, second, third, fourth, fifth, you can see it right here, and then pull it a little bit, and then boom. So this one's ready to install. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Here's the other one. You guys can see, same process. You see the rubber, it has some holes in the back already, so you just put them in there all the way down. Same thing. Next one, and then the last one right there. All right, so these are ready. Let's go ahead and install them in the engine. All right, guys, so this is the driver's side. As you can see, the back part, it has a clip, which is this one here. That's the one that goes in on this area right here, this one, and then the rest go here, here, and the bottom part, you can see it, 1 2 3 4, 1, this is 1 right here, 2 3, and then 4 in the corner. So as you can see, that part is gonna go right in here, so all the way down, and then press here, so this one goes in. So that's the way it looks, the corner. So let's go ahead and do the other side. Same procedures will be this clip right here, and then will be this one, second, and then this one right here, third one, and then this fourth one right here in the corner. All right, let's get that done. Let's go. All right, so that one clicked in. You press this one down, and then you press this one here in the corner, just like that. You hear that little clip, and that's the way it's gonna look, the side. And that's the complete engine, all the hard plastic. The fuses, the corner, and then the radiator cover, properly installed, beautiful. The other fuse box, and then of course the corner right here. So now it looks complete. It looks really dope. That's right. All right, guys, until next time, we'll see what we're gonna do next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and stay tuned for more new parts. Have a blessed evening.